And when it comes to the sovereignty of God, sometimes nga iba ka don kani ka jing snoto bakla a misconception with the sovereignty of God. Nakabaki ong ba God has determined all things. Henry, there is a mesh kadang kani kading clear with moral absolutism and determinism. So why all these conundrums? Why all these confusions ka majamanta? Limba kini balik ni most Calvinists kilong kumi. I don't know whether all Calvinists are like this. I don't know. And mainstream Calvinism teng iba kalong kumi, and because we have to be biblically correct as close as possible, ngim lang man compromise. Nakatakaw daw karon kani ka video ka pamtakas ni, and nga kwa apapin sngoto ba kidan ka iki ba ngim lang te ban bakla. Ngim lang man bakla dali em. Namar bangila sngoto plumar. See, we do have tons of videos, we do have tons of explanation, we do have tons of articles, books on moral relativism. Ngibon ha halor ka moral relativism. Henry ka daw ba there is this mistake kani ka plumar ba moral relativism becomes the alibi na kabanta kani ka determinism, but ublay ulang behind everything including evil. Nga iba wala hapadeng kijing bon jugini, in this plethora, in this treasure, we have an embarrassed amount of articles, of resources halor ka moral relativism and moral absolutism. Ka problem ka lang ba we don't have a practical explanation, but we don't have a practical explanation, pan.